Hello, my name is Gail. I'm a clinical psychologist and I work here at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital in King's Lynn. And I'm here today to talk a bit with you about kindness. Sometimes, in an effort to be kind to ourselves, we try and avoid difficult thoughts, feelings, and situations. This is a normal response to unpleasant experiences. Why on earth would anyone want to feel bad? If we taste a bad food, we spit it out. If we feel pain when we touch something, we pull our hands away. It's common to tell ourselves a story that we should be happy all the time, that we should aim to be happy all the time, and that other people manage to be happy and successful in a way that we just aren't managing. We tell ourselves that unpleasant thoughts and feelings are bad and that these should be avoided and got rid of. We become entangled in a struggle with these experiences. We become plagued with self-doubt and self-criticism. We avoid people, we avoid situations, and we avoid experiences which trigger difficult feelings inside us. We become engaged in a struggle which is impossible to win. We call this experiential avoidance. In an effort to be kind, we actually become very unkind to ourselves. The fact is that as humans, we're going to experience a wide range of emotions, a wide range of thoughts and feelings, and that this is normal. By struggling with those that we find more difficult, we create suffering for ourselves. By avoiding thoughts and feelings and experiences, we create pain. I'd like you now to take a moment and I'd like you to close your eyes. I'd like you to imagine yourself in a tug of war with a monster. You can create this monster in your mind. I'd like you to think about what it looks like and what it sounds like. This monster represents one of the difficult things that you've been working really hard to avoid experiencing today. This might be a feeling such as sadness or anger or frustration or shame. It might be a situation that you've been trying hard not to get involved with. Or it might be a thought that pops into your mind that you've been avoiding thinking about, perhaps by keeping yourself busy instead. Between you and the monster, there's a ravine. You believe that if you pull hard enough on the rope, you can pull the monster into the ravine to make him disappear forever. I'd like you now, in your mind, to put as much energy as you can into this imaginary tug of war with this monster. Your aim is to pull the monster, to pull it so hard that you defeat it, it falls into the ravine and it goes away. If you fight hard enough, this difficult thing will just go away. So take a moment and pull some more, and then pull some more. Notice how this makes you feel. Notice how, however hard you pull, the monster might shift a little bit, but he never falls. He just pulls back. What I'd like you to do when you've completed that exercise is to go back to the situation in your mind and drop the rope. I want you to just drop it. And then I'd like you to take a moment to notice what happens. The monster's there, and you are there, but suddenly you're not fighting anymore. You are still and you are present. By dropping the rope, you can wander around, you can explore, you can decide your own direction. You choose how you react, despite the fact the monster is still there. The monster is there, but you are living a life of your choosing. By stopping the fight, you can be truly kind to yourself. And this will allow you in turn to be kind to others. I'd like you to consider taking a moment every day to notice your own monster. What is this thing that you've been avoiding? And to think about dropping the rope. If only for a little while, just take a moment to yourself to just be. To just be alongside the difficulties and the pain and the things that you would like to avoid, as well as other more pleasant experiences and emotions. I'd like you to notice and be with all of your feelings and experiences, whatever they are. And I'd like to encourage you to be kind to yourself.